Hi, this is Ben Lai from Sales Ethos. Today's topic is how to make clients happy with the service that you're providing. In the sales profession, we may not consider ourselves as customer service representatives. However, the level of service that you provide to your clients will determine whether they're going to buy from you again and whether they're going to refer people to you. Therefore, it is important for us as sales professionals to know and understand what good service is in order to provide that for our clients. The first thing that I'd like you to do to increase your level of service is to be considerate. What I mean by that is to take into account the small things that will make your client happy. Just being courteous, just being polite, saying please and thank you. You shouldn't have to say these sort of things to sales professionals, but unfortunately I do, because it's not common practice. All these little courtesies are the things that help a person to feel as though they are receiving good service. You need to have a very positive mindset, and you need to have a very pleasant demeanor. So if you currently don't identify as that, may I strongly encourage you to practice and to take into account these little things that make a big difference in the end. The second thing that is required for good service is to keep your promises. I said it on previous videos, when you say you're going to make a call, make sure you call at that time. Being punctual is something that we often take for granted. Don't turn up even 5 minutes late for a meeting. That's just plain rude. Look, sometimes you cannot help it. Give them advance notice as much as you can, but you must absolutely keep your promises if you're going to give your clients a perception of good service. The third thing, before I go into that, if you're a sales manager, you would like a complimentary consultation where we're going to handle your top concern and your sales challenge, feel free to visit the link below, enter your details for that complimentary consult. Now, the third thing that you need to do to create a perception of good service is to go the extra mile. Let's just say you're going to a restaurant and you order a dish, and the dish comes out and it's the wrong one. You may consider it just standard that they take it back and bring you the dish that you ordered. That's pretty much as expected. However, if you want to have good service, what the restaurant owner should do is not only replace the dish that you were supposed to get, but also provide something else, such as a complimentary dessert or a complimentary drink to make up for the error. In the same way, when you are providing service to your clients, if you happen to make a mistake, find some way to make it up for them. Buying coffee nowadays is just a standard practice, but maybe if you buy them lunch, that's going over and beyond. Of course, you'll have to determine what's appropriate for the given situation. But nevertheless, if you go over and above for your clients, they will see that you are the type of person that really cares about their clients, and they'll be much more likely to do business with you and to give you referrals. So to recap, be considerate, think about the small things that make a big difference, keep your promises, and make sure you go the extra mile for your clients, and your sales career will blossom as a result. So what do you think? What are some of the things that you do to increase your client satisfaction? Leave a comment below. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. And remember that integrity plus skills equals success.